sinobamoyo uye lo bekasibhalelile mayelana nenkinga ngendawo la bekutheni bebayivule i-home based center bangasafuni ukuthi angene endaweni yakhe abize identical force. Identical force yenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ekugcineni kwelanga iba nesombululo namkhana kube nemphumela emihlo. Bamoyo njengoba usibizile si-identical force, ngamhlambe ungathanda ukuthini mhlambe after isikhathi eside loko ubhizi ukuhamba ulwa ufuna indawo yakho uya phasi naphezulu, ungathanda ukuthini mhlambe amagama akho ungathanda ukuthini?
Yeah, into engingathanda ukuyikhuluma specifically ukuthi i-identity force is actually better than ama-entities esinawo, ngoba it goes straight to the site bayobona ukuthi kwenzekani. And then enye into futhi engingayithanda nge-identity force, they are not after money, they are after justice, specifically after justice. Baningi abantu engibabone lapha e-ofisini labo apart from mina, ngibone lapho ukuthi sibaningi abantu abanenkinga nabo magogo. And as a conclusion for mina, it's a justice saved, ngoba thina masizenzela sodwa besingenakuyenza ngendlela e-right emgwaqeni. So i-identity force ke at least bayakwazi bebona nama-procedures, bayawazi nomthetho, thina senzani umthetho. So ngiyakubonga ke lokho futhi I wish nje ukuthi bangathola nesponsor basize nabanye abantu abarojwayo ngezindlela ezihlukile kunale yami ekanje. Actually futhi ngiyabancoma nokuthi abekho violent, qonda straight endabeni, kungabi khona umuntu osala senecala noma benzi bobubi bagcine bediverta ububi babo sebediverta ngokuthi ngoba nabo ukuthi i-identity force seyishaya umuntu ubale kwendabeni okuyiyona yona ugxilwe endabeni mina ngisho njalo.
Ke njengoba sibonile ukuthi kunabogogo ngaphakathi and siyabona ukuthi yapenda bekuyi-home based care, so mhlambe uma nangathi akhe ngikuhlebele kancane, uma lona ngabe uyathi hayi mani bamoyo ngoba beningazani ngibona inroda la kuwe, mhlambe wena ungathini amagama akho?
Oh yeah, ngiyayizwa leyo show mara it's unfortunate. Mina ngi-married and I've been married for 23 years. Nabantwana bamantombazana abakhulu nabafana abashadileyo nabomakoti bami, so kuyihlazo nje abantwana bami bashela bayenda nami ngiyashela. Ngaphezu kwalokho nje abafazi is not my style. That's why ngine-property ngoba ngishiwa ngabafazi. That's why nginezinto, so I will never do that.
Okay. Bayathi ukuthi ubamoyo ukuthi noma ungenzani yena angeke aze athatheke namkhana adlelezeke ngenxa yomfazi. Thina sesifunda okuningi ngayo ubamoyo and then begodi siyakhuthaza